right, let's talk about your vocabulary for this rock and mineral unit. Okay, I've drawn a bit of a diagram here that shows the Earth's surface with a volcano. We see the Earth's crust. Underneath, we see the molten magma, lava coming up out of the volcano, which would harden into igneous rocks here, could harden into igneous rocks underground even. We've got some water here that would take small bits of rock that are weathered away, or even pieces of animals and plant, little pieces of sediment, also called debris, that would then kind of float to the bottom of the water into layers and over time be pressed into sedimentary rock, which could, if it goes down deeper into the earth under extreme heat and pressure, become a metamorphic rock, okay? And then here I've got a list of characteristics that we can use to describe rocks and minerals: color, shape, texture, smell, okay? Now let's look at how our vocabulary words would fit on our diagram here. Let me pick a vocabulary word. Sediment. Let's see what we have as a definition for sediment here. Particles of sand, clay, mud, vegetation, silt, all can be called debris. Oh, that's the stuff that goes down in the water and layers at the bottom, okay? The stuff that floats down in the water and creates layers. That's sediment. Let's look at another word. Physical properties. Definition of physical properties is characteristics of an object, a rock or mineral, that can be used to describe it. It might be the color, shape, hardness, etc. Oh, that's why I've got these things up here. Those are examples of physical properties. Okay, next. Magma. Definition of magma on our paper: the molten or melted mixture of rocks under the Earth's surface. Aha! This molten rock that's under the surface, that is our magma. Next. Oops, I dropped one. Sedimentary rocks. Definition: layered particles of weathered rock and mineral. So after those sediments settle in the bottom of water, and then over time, they get pressed into sedimentary rocks, okay? Igneous rocks. Definition: of fire, formed from magma underneath the Earth's surface. Or it could be formed from lava, right? That's an intrusive igneous rock, is formed from magma underneath the surface, while an extrusive igneous rock is formed from lava outside the Earth's surface. So I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to draw an arrow to show that it could be formed, sometimes it's even formed in the air. As lava explodes out of the volcano, it could cool in the air. That's when we have those porous rocks, right? All the little holes. Or it could form underground. Intrusive igneous, extrusive igneous rocks. Next, lava. Definition: magma that has reached the surface of the earth. Aha, this stuff coming out. That's our lava. Finally, metamorphic rocks. Okay, definition: rock changed through heat and pressure. Okay, that is underneath the Earth's surface. Underneath our Earth's surface, there's extreme pressure and heat, and it can change igneous rocks or sedimentary rocks or even other metamorphic rocks into new rocks by that heat and pressure, and then it becomes a metamorphic rock, okay? So that is the vocabulary that you can study so you can do well on your rock and mineral quiz. Good job.